Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I will discuss about the real life Python interview questions along with the answers. So I have already given so many interviews related to DevOps and Python. So I just want to share my experience with you all. What are the questions I have faced in my interviews? So I am sharing those experiences with all of you. So if you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's get started. What are the common questions which I have faced in my interview? So let's start it. So first, today in today's video, write a Python function to count the frequency of elements in a list using the dictionary. So so let's understand what is the question. So in the we need to create a Python function and we need to count the frequency of each elements in a list. So suppose you have this list. I have already given the example. So you need to count the frequency of each character in the list. Or suppose you can get a list of words and you need to find the frequency of each word. How many times we have one word, we have how many times, what is the frequency of that word. So we need to count these frequency and get the output like this. So apple and with the count. So I need the output like this. So this is the first question for today's video. So now let's see how we can solve this question. So we need to create a function. So we use the def. Then we need to give the name of the function, count, frequency. Then here first we need to take input from the user, the list. Okay. Then I need to I need to have the output in the dictionary. So I need to create an dictionary. So I so it will loop through all the items in the and now it will in the dictionary it will particular item we have in the dictionary. So we will use the get function which will check if the particular item exists in the dictionary or not. It will initialize with the 0. So it will initialize the dictionary with this item and then it will add 1. If the element already exists in the dictionary, so it will increment the value, count the value. So default value is 0, so it will initialize it with 0 and then it will add one value. Once it gets that value again, so it will increment it by 1 and then at the end it will return the dictionary. Okay, this is our function. Now let me check this function. So count frequency. I need a list so I can pass this. So here I need to run this. Apple is 1. Mango. Why I did not get the mango? Okay. I am passing this apple. So okay, it is counting only one. We'll have the first. It will take apple. Okay, so it will be increment by one. Okay. So here I need to correct the return. Return should be here. Okay. So what is happening that it is adding one and then it is returning it. I need to completion of this for loop. So now I need to now it's fine. Yeah. So what we are doing, we have created a function. Okay. I have then initialized I have created a empty dictionary and then I am looping through the list, each elements in the list. And in the dictionary, I am adding that to each item and then I am updating the count value plus one. Okay. So suppose what will happen that at the starting, we have the empty dictionary. Then it will have the apple as the element. The key will be the apple and then frequency dot get item. So it will be initialized with the zero and since we get it one time, so it will increment it by one. So then we will have the apple one count as one. Then again we have the apple. So again it will loop through the now in the item we have already one count. So it will increment it by one. So then we will have apple 2 and again we have the apple. So it will again check the value of count of value of the apple. So it will have the two value, then it will increment by it one. So we will have apple 3. Then again it will get the mango. So default value will be 0. Then it will increment it by 1 because we got it one time. Okay. So now at the end it will return the dictionary. So then we will have the apple 3 and mango 1. I can add any other value as well. Let me add orange. Okay. Now let me run it. Yeah, it has added orange as well. And if I add mango again, so now mango has to count. So it is working fine. So this is how this function we can create. Okay, and we can also use the character as well. So I can use this function to count the frequency of characters. Count frequency. Then I need to pass a characters I can pass B A. Now run it. See, I am getting this A two times, B one time. So we have the A two times and A two times and B one time. Okay. So yeah, this function is working fine. So this is how we can count the frequency of word or character in a list using the dictionary. I hope you are able to understand. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. And if you are finding this video useful, please subscribe to the channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. So now let's move to the next question. We need to check if the given string is palindrome or not. So this is very common question we have in our interview. So what is the palindrome number? Palindrome word first is the string which has a string. So example is this. Suppose mat. If we reverse this string also, then again also we will get madam. So if we reverse that string, it will have the same value. So that is the palindrome number, palindrome string. Okay, like Malayalam, Malayalam. No, Malayalam. Uh, so, madam or dad. So this is also an palindrome number. or AADAA. If we reverse these strings, so we will again get the same string. So that is why it is the palindrome number, palindrome word. So how we can create a function? So we can use a def function and then check palindrome. Then we need to take the input from the user. Then return. What we will do? First we will change it to lowercase. Okay, s dot lower. Then return s is equal to s. Then we need to reverse this string. So this is the common easy method to reverse the string. We have already discussed in our Python series. You can see that video if you are interested. Now we can call this function check palindrome, and here I need to give the string madam. I'm giving madam. Now let's run it. So I'm getting true. So yeah, this is the palindrome because if we reverse this string, so again we will get the same string madam. So that is why it is some string here. And I am getting the false because this is not the palindrome. If I give this, how can create this palindrome program? It's a very simple program. Now we have the advanced version of this palindrome. This is the question I have already faced in my interview. Find all the palindrome substring from given string. So we will get a, they will give me a string, okay, and in that string I need to find out all the palindrome words, palindrome substring from the string. Suppose, for example, you have given this string, okay, and now you need to find what are the palindrome substring from this string. So this is madam, and then ADA is the palindrome, then ADA is the palindrome, and then DAD is palindrome. So we need to count, we need to check all the palindrome substring from the given string. So now let's see how we can solve this problem. So we need to create a function. First, the function find palindrome substring, and we need to give a string as the input. Then after that, we will create a set so that it will have the palindrome set palindrome. Here this set we will store all our palindrome substrings. Why we are using set? Because in this set we will have only unique value. We don't have the duplicate value in the set. So that's why we are using the set. Then we need to count the length of the string. So we will count the length of the string, length of the string. Okay. Then we will run our loop I in range, and with till the length of the string we will run the loop. Then we need to again add one more loop in range I plus 2, so that we can get the 3 or 2 characters. So for that we are adding plus 2, and then we need to run it till plus 1 because we want to add the last character as well. So that's why n plus 1. Then after that, what we need to do? We will have the substring from the string. Okay, I colon j. So we will get the substring from the string. Then Then how do we know if the string is palindrome or not? If the string and the reverse of the string is equal, then it is the palindrome. So here we will apply the same condition. If sub is equal to sub, if the reverse of the string substring is equal to the substring. So if it is true, then we will add that in palindrome set. Palindrome palindromes dot add sub. So if the substring is the palindrome, then we are adding it to the palindrome set. And at the end, we will return the palindrome set. Palindromes. Okay. Yeah. So this is our program. Let's see if it is working fine. So find palindromes substring. We need to call this. We need to give a string. I am giving this. Now let's see if it works. Yeah, it is working. We are getting all we can see that reverse of this is, yeah, same. Reverse of this ADA is also ADA and reverse of this is also same reverse. So we are getting all the palindrome words, palindrome substring from the given string. Okay. So this program is working fine. So let's see, let's go through again what we did. We have created a function, then we have created a empty set. Okay, empty set why we are using the set? Because it will have only unique values. We don't want duplicate values in our palindrome substring list. So that's why we are using the set. And then first we are checking the length of the string. Then we have created the loop for I. Then filter out the substring from the string. If the substring reverse of the substring palindrome string, so we are adding that substring in the set, and at the end we are returning the set. Okay, so here we are calling it, and now we are getting the is still, yeah, we are getting all the palindromes. We are getting all the palindromes from the given string. So our program is working as expected. I think you are able to understand. If you have any question, please comment in comment section. I hope you like this video. If you are finding this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So we will discuss more about the interview questions. I will share my more experience. So please like, share and subscribe. That's all for today. Thank you all for joining. Have a great day ahead.